I mixed eggs and noodles. The result is amazing. Pour water in a saucepan, place on high heat, and bring it to a boil. Meanwhile, cut half onion into thin slices. And now tell me how you make noodles in your house. I would love to know your recipe. Now, in a saucepan, add 1 tablespoon of butter on medium heat and stir until melted. Then add the onion and fry for 2 to 3 minutes. When the water starts boiling, add the noodles and let cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Here in the pot where the onion is, grate 1 garlic clove. You guys make this recipe at home and then come back here to tell me what you think. I'm sure you'll love it. Add also 1 tablespoon of butter and stir to combine. When you get this texture, it's time to add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of pepper sauce, and again stir to combine. Add black pepper to taste, the pasta seasoning, and stir to combine. Now add 1 egg and stir well to mix into the sauce. And before I forget, tell me where you're watching us from so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug is for Rainey Johnson from Delhi. I'm happy to hear you're loving our recipes. The noodles are now cooked. Drain the water. Pour the noodles into the saucepan and mix. Then add half cup of water or chicken stock, more pepper sauce, this part is optional, and mix it again. To finish, add mozzarella to taste and mix. Also add spinach, but it's optional. And our noodles are ready! Look how delicious it is! I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye!